Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is, faces of cube are marked with A, B, C, D, E and F. If three views of cube are shown below, what will be there on the face opposite to face D? Now here, as per the first view, we can observe F and C cannot be opposite to D. Then as per second view, B and C cannot be opposite to D because these are adjacent to D. And as per the third wave, B and E cannot be opposite to D. So here we can observe only A left. Therefore, only A left and has to be opposite to D. So from available options, our correct option is option B.